Send message just look while me and not nice talk. Me and not nice just a talk. Me been and send not nice message up to this day till me send.
Where was it?
Yeah, man, yes, our boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the damn crew.
The lineage alive. Rasta City. Represent for the Jones. Only. Clean. Gotta go.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before me jump in, I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on that video here. And my people, you don't see Wagwan. We have to thank Father God, so we have a life. Big up Father God all the time. And my people, that 1 year hot phone, very hot. The artist owner here, hot artist, my people. We are get out there. Adequate Rasta City. Alright, my people, and this time new tune. People are people. And we're going to vibe to it in the morning. Yeah, wanna tell me one thing. I'm going to drop a little piece pound of that.
But you may know them can me never change course. And who me love, yes, me keep them close. Me and my sister born, should I east, me they west. So fi choppy off, so many things said. People are people and them never change. Never, ever, yes, them never change.
Yeah, my people. So that are the little snippet of my have phone, and expect enough more from the artist. Everybody, may I beg you go over him YouTube Vivo and like up him video them, share and subscribe on him channel, my people. Adequate Rasta City, and Rasta City spelled the same way how you see it on the screen, them, my people. You understand? 3 Y's at the end. Alright, my people, so that I can make we jump in at the major updates now, my people. And you don't see what go on. Yesterday was day 1 for the Island Music Conference. You understand? Big show Sharon Burke put on and Basin sitting, and Valiant was there. He was listed as one of the, the panel persons that you could do question and answers with, and so on. And while Valiant was in his question and answer section, Valiant actually spoke something. You understand? Valiant, I make you know, say, my work with Not Nice now. And people who don't know, say, Not Nice, a Popcaan producer. I think a Popcaan producer again, because now I'm work with Valiant. Alright, my people. But also, there were performances. There were performances there, my people. So I'm going to make on the check out the performances that was there, because Shaggy mash up the place. Shaggy and TJ come through. So I'm going to just drop that, and then we're going to come back and reason with Valiant, my people. Girl them time, I the girl them time. Yo, tune bad, my people. Anyway, that's a little snippet of my have for Shaggy and TJ performance at the Island Musical Conference. And remember, people, it's just day 1. It's going up until the 11th of February. You understand? So you don't know, people. Valiant was there, and I want thing for the artist Dede, and no same Dede, but him Dede, and people have him on stage at the question and answer. So naturally, them did want him touch the stage, and he did. Let's check it out.
Hi everyone. I'm doing something a little bit different. Your sponge is set to leave me like the streets, nothing can believe. Big up my DJ, Biggie. You should have bad mind me, I'm a broke tears. Move me house upstairs. Me know she not complain. You should have bad mind me, I'm a broke tears. Move me house upstairs. Me know she not complain. Say God, I'm a driver. I'm still a survivor. I won't even fight when you arrive, but I rise a fight. Yes, there's pain in my eye. I'm still reading my song. Yeah, my nose in my dirty and dirty. You should have bought my mean, I'm broke, yes. Mommy, house upstairs. Me know she not complain. You should have bought my mean, I'm broke, yes. Mommy house upstairs, me know she not complain. Listen, that time life in the poor of the tough. Look on my life in my eyes, I'm a son. Remember the time that something I go make it up. Yes, I'm praying for favor, God protect me from danger. Sounds for the street, make them fall on the knees, oh Lord. In our brothers, mommy always upstairs, but no she not complain. You should have had mine. In our brothers, you know, let me go again. Come on, it's the fire. I'm walking shaking out, come tell me the school upset.
Yeah, my people, that are that and that. I think you don't see what I go on. The DJ, very talented, very versatile. You understand? Him now basically stuck in a one way. Him can perform anywhere. You realize a while ago, I just reggae. You understand? Conscious. Him never go in a, him call it chopper gospel. No time at all, my people. And nothing wrong with that because of that bossing me. You understand? But we just try to show you the versatility of the artist. You understand? Which is why him go far in the music industry. You understand? And my people, let's not forget, he was a part of the Q&A, and this is where he started talking about not nice and all of that. So I got jump in at the video there really quick and make you see what want my people. And you don't know my people, may I beg you just like, share, subscribe on the content. It does a lot for the channel and it does a lot for the content as well, my people. Alright, so I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the morning. Big up on yourself. Jamaican chat. I am out.
Most times, you know, me have some song, like my past songs them, and like some point, like some verses where me really acknowledge and what me love. Some of my fans them notice it too, as well.
Yeah.
So me say, John, you know, so music is something where from you want it, you can't really listen to nobody. Everybody have comments. Right now, somebody would say something about me, so
Yeah.
I don't care. So you just have to just stay focused.
Yeah.
If you want something, you go towards it. Believe me, because my mother did want me, right? Just say I want jacket and tie, right? Hi, mommy. Yeah. Jacket and tie and thing, but that wasn't for me still.
Yeah.
Not saying anything against that. But my passion is music.
Yeah.
And forever will be music, you know? So if you want something, music producing, don't listen to nobody. Beat them, write your song them, stay focused. Don't scared for send message. Just look while me and not nice talk. Me and not nice just a talk. Me been and send not nice message up to this day till me send other don't scared. Push yourself out there. The social media platform them dead. You see what about me? Catch you at a lie. So just push yourself, believe in yourself. Straight, everything you do, you just put God in it. Just push yourself.